Hello guys, welcome to Math channel. This lesson we will learn about geometric sequence. There are 4 parts you need to learn. 1. Definition. The definition of a geometric sequence, it means the ratio between consecutive terms is a same constant, and we can use this formula to represent. And this constant we use Q to represent, and we call it common ratio. And an plus 1, it means subsequent term, and an, it means preceding term. So the ratio between subsequent term and preceding term is a common ratio. So this sequence is a geometric sequence. For example, this is a geometric sequence because every term divided by its preceding term is the same number. So common ratio is 2, and 1 is the first term. We also use A1 to represent, so A1 equals 1. But this sequence is not a geometric sequence because 8 over 2 is 4, but 2 over 1 is 2. They are not equal. 2. Formula for the general term of a geometric sequence. General term of a geometric sequence, we use an to represent, and an equals a1 times q to the power of n minus 1. For example, A4. The first term is 2, and common ratio is 3. An equals 2 times 3 to the power of n minus 1. The formula for the sum of the first n terms of a geometric sequence. The sum of the first n terms of a geometric sequence we use Sn to represent, and Sn equals a fraction. The denominator is 1 minus q, and the numerator is a1 times 1 minus q to the power of n. Here we need to pay attention. Q is not equal to 1 because when q is equal to 1, the denominator is 0. So it's not, it doesn't exist. But when q equals 1, it means the sequence is A1, 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 because any term divided by the preceding term is 1. So any term is the same constant. So when q is equal to 1, Sn equals n times A1. For example, if we know A1 is 2 and common ratio is 2. So Sn equals denominator is 1 minus 2. Numerator is 2 times 1 minus 2 to the power of n. So the result is 2 to the power of n plus 1 minus 2. So, property of geometric sequence. If we know geometric sequence is 2, 4, 8, so we find 2 times 8 equals 4 squared. So if the sequence is a geometric sequence, the subsequent term of an times the preceding term of an equals an squared. And if p plus q equals m plus n, p, q, and n is the term of geometric sequence. So AP times AQ equals AM times AN. This is the property of geometric sequence. So this is all content we need to learn about geometric sequence. Class is over. See you next time. Thank you.